guys, you can see it's pretty windy out here right now. I just got a shaky head, and it's the chartreuse spinnerbait right now. Just what I had on my poles. Thought I'd come out here and just give it a shot, see if I catch a few. I don't know, we'll give it a shot here. It's windy, why not? I got a break from classes, so wish me luck. Holy shit. Look here. Oh no! No! No, that was like a 5-pounder. Oh my gosh. Oh man, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Wow, that was a freaking 5-pounder. That was a toad. Holy crap. Oh, come on. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, she's a big one. Oh, don't you get off. Don't you get off, baby. Don't you get off. Don't you get off. Come here. Come here. Oh, don't you. Yeah! Woo! Look at that, baby. Look at that. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Fell right out, man. I've missed a 5-pounder and come back and got this one. Woo! My shoes are soaking wet, man. I got in the water trying to get him. Oh, please tell me I'm recording. Yes. Look at there. Oh, I've been grinding out. It's so windy out here right now, guys. Look at that. Look at that fish. Oh man, I'm so happy right now. On that spinnerbait, I just lost a 5-pounder right there, and he just knocked the crap out of it and threw it back in there. That's like a 5 or 6-pounder. Look how fat she is. Oh man, that's a heavy fish. Heavy fish. I'm gonna get a picture and put it back in the water. Alright guys, we're back. Got a picture with her. Find a good spot to put her back in. Look at there. Nice big old chunk. She's about 5 pounds. 5.5. Really fat. I'm gonna let her go now. Holy crap! Oh, baby, stay down, baby, stay down. Oh, we just missed a 5-pounder. Hooked up with another 5-pounder, and now we've got another one on right here, guys. We've got another one on. I'm gonna try swinging. I'm gonna try swinging. Boom, baby, boom, boom. Look at there. Look at there, baby. Look at there. Woo! Look at that, baby. It's windy, but it ain't windy enough to keep TNT outdoors. 2 off the water. Look at that, spinnerbait. That's why you throw a trailer hook, guys. Woo! It's like 25-mile-an-hour winds right now. I apologize for the wind. Oh man, we are smashing them right now, guys. Absolutely smashing them. Get a picture with her right quick. Get her back in the water. Oh, we're recording too. Oh, the wind made it. Let's get her back in the water. Get out there and see if we can get some more on the spinnerbait. Woo! See you, big girl.